So we're out here on the property for the first day, and earlier today cut my hand up pretty good. So I went and got 5 stitches first day. I was just trying to get out here, have some fun, and that happened literally like 3 seconds before I was gonna leave. So I told you guys in the last video that I had a surprise, or I was going to do something that was a surprise, and I want to show you what it is. And some of you have probably already guessed by now, but still gonna give you a good quick peek. We bought a tractor. We bought a Coyote CK2620. This thing is a beast. It is 25 horsepower. It's got the KL4030C loader on it with a 60-inch bucket. This thing can lift 1,800 pounds, 96 inches above you. It's got massive tires, but with the backhoe attachment that we also got, it actually produces the counterweight that you need when you're doing a lot of your digging and stuff. So we're super pumped. I'm gonna do a more in-depth review about this tractor as we get going, but I just wanted to show you guys, here is the field. That is our land. It's massive. And what I'm gonna work on today is just cutting in this driveway just a little bit to give us a better entrance. But yeah, all the way back there to those woods, and then 3 acres of those woods is what we own. We got quite a bit done as far as just kind of cutting in the driveway, really just kind of tracing out where we kind of want the driveway to go. So I'm about to show you that. You're going to see an amazing sunset behind me. One of the reasons we wanted this property was because of the beauty of the sunsets here. So let me show you kind of what we got so far. So you can kind of see here, it's gonna walk back this way. I'm not gonna go all the way back there. I'll throw a drone shot in here because it's way far back there, but it goes back this direction and then kind of does a loop here and comes back. There'll be a driveway that goes off right here, and then another driveway that goes off this way for another house, and then the shop will be back here. So you'll kind of see it on the drone shot a little bit better. But this is just kind of our first go at kind of getting the corn cleared out, the corn stalks, and I'll come back in here and fine grade this so that I can get it somewhat level, so I can put some big like number 53 rock down for my base, and then I'll come back with the like 73, like a crusher run for the top of the gravel driveway. Then I'll come back with a tamper, and I'll tamp it all down. So you'll see all the steps. I promise to show you as much as I possibly can, but yeah, I mean, just check this view out. The sunsets are gonna be amazing. So as soon as that sun goes down, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is the property. So we are really excited, and the tractor was awesome, and I can't wait to do a full like in-depth video on that. So hopefully you'll get to see that soon and get the next step going. We love you. Peace.